The Federal Reserve just made its move, a 0.25% rate cut on October 29, 2025. But what does this really mean for your wallet, your business, and your home? After months of slowing job growth and weakening global demand, the Federal Reserve decided it was time to act. A quarter-point rate cut, small, yes, but symbolic. It signals a shift in monetary strategy, from fighting inflation to stimulating growth. This move is the Fed seeing will support the economy before it slows too far. For the US economy, this cut means cheaper borrowing costs for businesses, for consumers, for you. Credit card rates ease slightly, auto loans become more affordable, and corporate borrowing revs up. Expect stocks to rally, at least in the short term, as investors bet on easier money. But lower rates also mean potential inflation pressure down the road. The Fed's walking a tightrope, growth versus stability. Globally, this cut sends a shockwave. The US dollar dips slightly, making American exports more competitive, but also putting pressure on emerging markets with dollar-denominated debt. Central banks from London to Tokyo are watching closely. A synchronized easing trend could be on the horizon as nations brace for slower growth. And for the housing market, this is where it gets really interesting. A 0.25% cut can lower mortgage rates, unlocking affordability for buyers sitting on the fence. Refinancing activity? Expect a spike. Home builders? More confidence. But let's not celebrate too early. If demand jumps and inventory stays tight, prices could climb again, even in markets that were cooling. So while borrowers win, buyers might still feel the squeeze. This isn't just a rate cut, it's a signal that the Fed believes growth needs help, that inflation is under control, and that confidence must be restored. The winners, savvy investors, agile entrepreneurs, and those who stay informed, because in every policy shift lies an opportunity. So, what's your move after this rate cut? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want to stay ahead of every market move, subscribe, because the economy never sleeps.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.